Hello, hello, hello. Is everything working perfectly? Right, all good. So, hello everyone, how are you? Everything is working fine. So, let me introduce myself first. Hello guys, I'm Harsh, the founder of Bikonik, and here on the live streams we learn about AI, and we are just inside a 30 days journey in which we learn about AI from beginner to advanced kind of stuff, in which we learn AI to implement in the right and the useful way in which AI will going to help us to increase our revenue, to reduce our cost, and to increase our time efficiency. So that's all what we are learning. So we are on the day 5 right now, and if anybody is watching right now and haven't watched the last few live streams, then it should go and like proceed watching them. Okay, and after that you can watch this also. Like you can watch this right now also, and you can go then right watch the rest of the streams. Okay, it will be helpful so that you will get the more in context and get to learn a lot. Okay, moving forward, let's start the day, right? So, today we are going to learn about the emails, how we can use AI to implement in our emails stuff so that we get to learn, we can write better emails with the proper agenda and every single thing. A lot of us don't know how to write a proper and formal, sometimes casual emails, code emails, etc., etc. But AI is a great writer because it knows a lot of like all the internet's data and all the knowledge of the world, so we can use that into creating our emails with properly giving the prompt to properly giving the agenda what we want. Okay, so let's start the day 5 AI for writing emails. Okay, write clear business emails faster, and here is some of the stuff that we maximum guys uh, write over the emails. Hi team, I hope this emails find you well. I wanted to touch base about the project update. There are few things we should probably discuss. Let me know what you think. Thanks, Sam. So this is kind of email we all just write. Okay, clear, clear goal, right tones, strong next step is needed. So the right email should be like subject, project update, and next steps. Hi team, here is a quick update of the project and we what we need to do next. So this is a kind of context. Please review and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much, Sam. So this is kind of the email that is required in the formal setting. Okay, let's proceed how we can use AI in proper manner to write emails, right? So why emails fails? Email fails because most bad emails are unclear, not badly written, because they don't have clear ask what the next person has to do after reading that email. Sometimes it's too long, and because of the attention span, a lot of people don't just love to read a lot, and wrong tone, like because it's all on text, so we don't understand like what is the tone that the person is talking about. Because okay, and missing context, like the background context, so it's not clear, so the reader don't have the clear knowledge about what is going on. Okay, so the better email should have a goal, proper context, ask, deadline, all of the things. AI fixes structure before style, right? So let's proceed further. Step one, give the right inputs. If you want to AI write the proper emails, so you have to give the right inputs. AI writes better when it knows the situation. What is it for? What happened? What do you need? And what is it needed? For example, like who is it for? Like recipient. It is your team. It is the client. It is your vendor. It is your contractor. Who is the recipient? Okay, so what happened, what is the situation we are going on? Okay, so so this is the part you have to describe the situation, the context. What do you need, like what do you want the next person to do, or like send whatever, like the action what you want from the next person. So this is the ask. Deadline, in how much time that person should do this task. So that is the deadline part. After you give all these things, the AI will going to give you a clear email draft. Okay, so context first, draft second. Next step is use a simple email structure. Make the next step easy to understand. Okay, so subject, one line context, main message, clear ask, deadline. If your email have all these things in the content, in the like compressed or like in fewer words, then it would be easy to read for the next person, and it would be easy to reply and do the next section with a clear like ask. Okay, so one email, one main action, right? Going further, step 3, control the tone. Tell AI the email should feel like is it a formal email, is it a casual email, is it a casual plus formal email, something like that. What is the exactly tone that in which your email should be like. Okay, so tone control, friendly, direct, professional, firm, which tone you want. Okay, email up. Hi Jordan, I wanted to follow up on the proposal we discussed last week. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you, Alex. Okay, so tone applied. Hi Jordan, just following up on the proposal we discussed last week. Please let me know your feedback by Friday. So it is a friendly kind of a tone, and here is a kind of a firm kind of a tone. Okay, so you can also change the tone with AI with like fewer words. Okay, so avoid robotic, fluffy, over formal things. It will literally going to look like AI. So like a lot of humans just don't like AI stuff because it just feel like the effort is not put it in that work in that email or whatever. Tone is a business decision. Okay, so next, going forward, the step 4 is edit before sending. AI drafts, you decide. So don't just copy paste whatever AI given you and send it to the like client contractor, like who is whoever is the recipient. Just check it before sending. Okay, so new message, Alex Lee to the subject line, hi Alex. So if there is some fluff, then you can cut it out. I hope this email find you well and that you are having a great week. So you can cut it out. So check facts. I wanted to share a quick update on Q2. Is it right or not? You have to check the facts. Okay. The analytics are tracking ahead of plan. The analytics are ahead of plan, and we are on track to hit our goal. So this is a complete fact. Then you can check it also. Make ask clear. Could you review the attached deck and let me know if you have any feedback by Friday? So you have to make clearly convey that what you want from the next person to do. Could you review the attached deck and let me know if you have any feedback by Friday? Thanks, John. So this is the complete thing. AI will going to give you the draft. Uh, So AI will going to give you a draft, and you have to check the all the things first. Then you can just check and make some changes according to whatever you want to convey and send it to the recipient. So cut the fluff, check facts, make us clear, sound like you have written that email, then send. So next thing is business emails. AI can help. Start with repeatable email types: client update, follow-up, apology, proposal, reminder, and feedback. You can create drafts for all of these things, because this is kind of the thing that is like repeatable task that we have to do. Like you have to send a client update, follow-up, apology, proposal, reminder, feedback. So this should be like a template, and you have to just put in the context in, then it will create a complete draft, and after checking you can send to the recipient. Reuse the same structure, change the context. Okay, so this is a draft that you can create the template, and you can change the context every single time, then it will sound like a new email every single time, right? So live demo, raw notes, AI email prompt, and review plus send. So this is the prompt that we will gonna use, and this is a something like raw notes, follow up next week, and this is a review and send that we are going to do right now. So let me open my chat GPT. Here is my chat GPT. Hope everything is visible. Yeah. So we're going to use the same prompt. Let me write the prompt first. Write a professional email to Alex summarizing our meeting, including key takeaways, next steps, and timeline. Tone: friendly, concise, and action oriented. In the meeting, the thing happened was we had talked about his website, his construction business, and how we were going to apply the AI in their business. We're going to apply the AI calling assistant and the review bot and one-time website thing, and this is all. And one bot we will going to do in future is the quotation bot, that will going AI quotation bot that will going to create quotation on behalf of the Alex. It will be going to be created for the internal team. So this is the complete meeting takeaways. So this is just the context that I have given to the AI. Okay, so here is above the prompts that we have, and here is the context. So I'm sending this to the AI. So here it is working, right? So here is the complete email that we got. Hi Alex, thanks again for your time today. It was a great discussing how we can improve your construction business operations and customer experience using AI. So we can cut it out. Thanks again for your time today. It was great. How we can impressions like, and we can remove this part also. Okay, and here are the takeaways that found from our meeting website. We discussed one-time website project to strengthen your online presence. That's good. AI calling assistant and AI powered calling assistant to help you manage customer calls, follow-ups, and inquiries more efficiently. That's also good. Review bot, a system to generate and manage customer review requests and improve your online reputation. That's also good. Quotation board and internal AI tool that will help your team to create quotations on behalf of Alex. Here is a mistake. It should be ILX. Alex. Okay. uh, Making the quotation process faster and more consistent. So these type of mistakes AI can do, but you have to check for that. So you have to check before sending every single thing. Future AI roadmap. These solutions will be organized as part of the overall roadmap, allowing us to implement and expand the AI systems over time. So next steps and timeline. We can remove this part next time, next steps and timeline. So this will clearly showcase that it's written by AI. The next step is to finalize the scope and prioritize the each solution, starting with the most important items and then rolling out the remaining AI tools in the phases. Once the scope is confirmed, we can establish the implementation timeline and begin development. Looking forward to working together and bringing this system into life. Best touch. We can remove this part. So that's why, because of these all the things that here, that's why we have to check the email first before sending. So pick one email, right? Give our contact, give your contact that like I have given to the AI, draft with the AI and edit whatever it's needed. Then you can send the AI. So this is all what we can use AI for in email part. Okay. So if you want to implement AI in your business, then you can just go in the description, and the link is below. You can book a free strategy call, 30-minute strategy call, and me and my team will going to help you to figure out how AI can help you in your business by increasing time efficiency, by increasing your revenue, and reducing the cost, headcounts, etc. So that's all from my side. Today we learned about the email part, how we can use AI to create our emails in the best and more better way. So this is the prompt. If you want the prompt, you can just comment and I will going to reply on that comment. This like the prompt. Okay. Hope we are done for the day, and as we don't have any Q and A right now, no questions. So we will meet tomorrow, day 6, and learn something new on the AI part. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely rest of the day. Thank you so much.